To make these savory cheesy cupcakes, you will need 2 eggs at room temperature. We will add 1 teaspoon yeast and 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then we're gonna mix everything together very well. Now we add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now we add 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Now we add 1 teaspoon of zaater mix and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The zaater mix is optional. Now we add 1/2 cup of warm milk and we keep mixing. Now we add 1 cup of flour. We continue mixing. Add 1 cup of crumbled Nablusi cheese. Add the fresh oregano and mix it with a spatula. Mix some of the cubed Nablusi cheese in the batter. Spray the muffin tray with some oil, then use the ice cream scooper to scoop the batter in it. Preheat the oven at 350 and bake it on the middle rack for 20 minutes. Put some of the cubed Nablusi cheese on top of each piece. That's optional, of course. Also, I like to add some of the black seeds. Also, this is optional. Poke it with a toothpick to make sure it's done cooking.